Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 Subaru Forester. This vehicle sustained hail damage. This shape ran from the 2nd month 2008 to the 12th month 2012. This vehicle is fitted with an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol, backed by an all-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, radiator grille, has a tidy front bumper cover, left-hand front guard. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels, left front, left-hand power door mirror. We have the left-hand front door, left-hand rear door, factory 16-inch steel wheel, left rear, left-hand taillight, tailgate, has a tidy rear bumper cover, tow bar, right-hand taillight, factory 16-inch steel wheel, right rear, right-hand rear door, right-hand front door, factory 16-inch steel wheel, right front. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. There's a tidy manual transmission center console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy manual transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, standard type, factory single stack CD player, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy right hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, manual transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.